Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Verify your iPhone port and iOS version so the reader will work. Use an Apple certified or MFI reader. Insert the SD card completely into the adapter. Once connected, unlock the phone and respond to the Allow prompt so the device can read files. Open files or photos depending on whether you import or browse. This step prevents incompatibility and permission errors. You want the system to recognize the reader before moving on to transfer. Now navigate to Files and tap Browse. Under Locations, you should see the reader. If you plan to copy, tap Select and choose Files or whole folders, then use Copy or Move to put them on iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. For camera photos and videos, open Photos, choose Import, then Import selected. This keeps metadata intact. Make sure there is enough storage before transferring and monitor progress. Large video files may take longer, so be patient while the system completes writes. To finish, wait for transfers to finish and then close files or photos before unplugging the reader. This prevents corruption. If items are missing, confirm the card format. FAT32 or XFAT are generally compatible, while other formats may not mount. If the reader is not recognized, restart your iPhone, reconnect the reader, and try another card or reader to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the Lightning or USB-C connector for debris.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.